Good guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. Today we are out and working on the Jetta. I think the Jetta has a bad pulley that has been giving me some trouble. So today we are going to diagnose that pulley and see if we can find the problem. Today we are going to diagnose what happened to my belt. I went to crank the car up one day and the car would not crank up, and I look under the hood and I saw that the belt was off, and I don't even know how the belt got off. It's kind of off of a couple pulleys. I don't know if you guys can see that down there. But they say to releasing up the tension on the belt on the VR6 is there is a little screw right here, and you have to find like a 10mm or 8mm screw that goes in there, and pretty much it pushes down on another piece down there, and then it can release the tension on the belt so that you can remove the belt. So I did manage to find one screw that I think is long enough to fit in that hole. So let's see if it works and if I can loosen that belt up and see if I can get that belt back on there. So yeah, that did actually loosen up the belt. So now you see I can actually take the belt off and put the belt back on. So I'm just gonna put the belt back on there for now and see if I can't get the car crunk up and see which pulley it is that is actually, I guess, bad. Hopefully it's this tensioner pulley. I can just replace that whole pulley and that'll be that. Let's see. So I don't even have to put the belt back on to find the problem. See that pulley right there? That pulley is the problem. This one. See if you watch that. See how it's shaking? And that is the pulley that that pretty much went bad on me. That sucks. I was hoping that it was something simple. Well, I guess that still is simple, but I was hoping that was something. Yeah, you can see all the play in that. Yeah, none of the rest of these have play in them. It rocked right off of that. So I guess I gotta replace that pulley, which I think is just an idler pulley. I'm like 50% sure that that's an idler pulley. So yeah, I guess that's what I gotta fix. And that's how you diagnose if one of your pulleys is bad. Well, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video where we fix the pulley, and yeah, in the next video where we go ahead and fix that pulley and get this car back on the road. Got some car shows coming up that I gotta get to, and yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next video.